Okay, now we're going to scrape some of the companies in BBB or the Better Business Bureau. In the companies that we're going to scrape or we gather information, the what you call that, the landscape industries. Okay, so we're going to get the companies, landscaping companies in probably contractors or design or architect, right? So we're just going to go ahead and do that right now. In and the city and state that we're going to get all those information, probably just small city in Washington. Okay, so right now we're going to go here, landscaping, the landscaping contractor, landscaping contractor. Okay, and the city would be, let's say, what city we can do is, let's say, let's try Woodenville. Okay, let's try Woodenville. Woodinville, Washington. All right, we're going to search, and right now we have 2,697 results, but we need landscape contractors. So we have categories here that we can filter in probably design in probably general contractor and let's include maintenance and commercial landscape contractor. Okay, lawn maintenance, let's do that. And fence contractor, so that's not okay. Wall, so all of those. Let's make it a little bit smaller, right? 5 miles is enough. 63, that's a little bit small, so let's do 10 miles and move the 5 miles. Hold on. Let's move the 5 miles and then do the 10 miles. 266. Let's start from that. Okay, before we scrape all the information that we need, let's view the page of each company, right? Let's do the Christine Landscaping Creation. So Christine Landscaping Design or Creation has the name, the category, the address, phone number, and probably the name's not there. Oh, no, name's not there. So let's go back. Let's check this out. And oh yeah, good. We have the name, picture, landscaping, and then the address, the website, the phone number. Good. The name of the contact person, right? So you can see there's no information here if the title is president or owner or CEO or CFO or whatsoever. Okay, and probably we can just put in principal for now, right? Later on we can check if Stephen King is a president or a CEO or owner. Okay, so let's go back and let's start scraping. Okay. Now we're going to go, as you can see, all the information where if we hover the mouse on each part of the website of BBB, it'll go turns to yellow. Okay, so we're going to get Christine Landscaping. Oh no, sorry about that. Let's do this. Okay, company, and then we'll go to category. We're going to get the phone. Going to get the address. Okay. And right now, as you can see, Christine doesn't have the website and probably doesn't have the name of the contact person. So we're going to get here. Okay. Follow this link. And now we're going to get the URL of this company. All right. Capture the URL. Then going to go a little bit further. Going to get the name or the contact person. Contact. Okay, and then can go back, and probably we have several pages that we can scrape. You can go down below. You can click on the next, and then click on set as next page link. Go. And again, you can stop the scraper for now, and then we're going to start scraping. Then we're going to scrape all the, or we're going to mine all the pages, right? All the, how many pages that? That's 9 pages, probably more, okay? Going to click on start now. This might take some time because there's a lot of page we need to scrape, but we only have 266 information or companies. Okay, so now it's starting to populate. Okay, there you go. Okay, URL, contact. Probably Christine doesn't have one. Okay, so the second one. Okay, all right. So this might take a little while, so I'm going to pause a little bit. Pause for now, and then I'll get back to you. Okay. All right. The scraper is a bit slow at the moment. We're able to scrape 30 rows. So still trying to gather all the information. So at the moment, we're going to stop the scraper to to be able to show you if all the information are correct, okay, and all the some of the websites are not able to populate here. And what I'm going to do here, I'm going to stop it right now, and then we're going to extract the file, going put it in a CSV file. Okay, going to click on export to a file, and as you can see, the default is Excel. We're going to change that to CSV and then save this file, okay, to Woodenville, I'm sorry, Woodenville, okay, Woodenville, BBB, okay, right, we're going to append all the information on that worksheet, all right, they're already there. I'm going to close this out, and then clear it. Now, going to go there, going to check if that's already here. Wooden bill still here. Okay. Let's go there. Okay, we're going to open the file. Now the file. Okay, it's loading right now. As you can see, we're able to scrape it, and it's going to make it wider. Now it's already here. We just need to put all the information or segregate everything here. Put the title on the other side, and the salutation is on the other side, and then the first and last name should be here. Okay, we're going to go to data, then text to column, and there you go, comma, and then go. Let's do that. Finish. Okay, as you can see, this one's not on the other side because the other information are here. Hmm. So anyway, we're able to scrape all of it, and we just need to populate some of the information. That's usually the thing is, if you need to get the email address of this person, what we can do is to, for instance, we get to get the email address of Stephen King. Going to get this information. Then we go to PP leads. Going to go ahead and get here, right? Doubled. Okay, and put the last name on the other side, and then get the URL. Go to that page again, and then it will go into search. But there's another one that you can try. There's another one which is snob.io. Okay, and we can also do this. As you can see, not found on the other on PP leads. You can try snob. Okay, okay, and we can try this. And this might take a little while also, but sometimes it will going to give you a green light, means it's a valid email. Sometimes you will see this kind of email, right? And sometimes yellow, it's unavailable. It's risky, but you can use it. And this one is not can't be used, but you can also try to send an email to this person using this email. Or if you're able to see emails such as this one, this is a valid one. You can use the email. We can send the information to that person. Okay, if you get this email, if it's a green one, go ahead and use it. But if not, then try a different route to get the email. Okay, but with other information, like for instance, phone number, you have the phone number of the company you can call. But if you want to get the phone number of the person, what I can offer you is to get the name of the company, like this one, right? And then try this option in Google, owner, right? I'm going to tell you the name of the person, which is the owner. It's Matt King, and this is Stephen King, and we don't know if the person of the I mean this one is we got the information from BBB, and it also say it's just a member or the principal, but we able to get the information from Google to say he's the owner. So you can get the information from LinkedIn by going to LinkedIn, and get the information from LinkedIn by using a different Chrome extension, right? So it automatically populates the name of the person or the name of the owner of this name of the person, or the name of the what you call that company. In contact out, we're going to click on show. We're able to get the email of the person. If you want the phone number, there's another option here. You can click on reveal contact, and able to probably show us the phone number. You also get the phone number. It's 425-487-0077. All right. All right. Thank you very much.